Welcome to Pragmatic. Today we will see the interesting module, that is the field service module. I will explain how it works and each and every configuration I will explain. So in the field service module, first I allocate a new task to of the guy. For example, maintenance work of washing machine. So I select the customer here, and once I select, automatically all the address details will comes here, and I assign the assignee here. So I plan on 16th 21 I apply, and also for 1 hour I am planning. Automatically allocated time will come here. I save the record. Okay, I done. I assign the particular task. Okay. So the next thing, we need to mapping process. So how it maps. For example, once I allocated the task, you just to go here. We are able to see all the details here. If I select geometry. So this is the assignee. If I switch over this, we are able to see this particular task. If I go here, you are able to see. You directly click here and navigate to and go to the particular place. Okay. So this is the useful app for mapping the particular area, and you should go. Okay. Now it's completed. Okay. For example, he reached the particular house and start the work. Once he start the work, the timer will be starts. So in the time of maintenance, he find some issues are in the particular thing. So he needs bolt screw for that particular fix. So you just click this particular product. So it's navigated to the product screen. You just add the screw, three screws and three bolts. That's it. So once he complete, he go back to here. You are able to see all the 7 products will be added against this particular task. Okay. Now he completes the particular task. Okay. He needs to fill the worksheet. That is very important. So this is comes under which manufacturing, the model. He needs to enter the serial number, technical maintenance, description, while maintenance, fix one problem. Like that he enter the details, and everything is properly tested, and the date he added and signed this. Done. And sign. Okay. Once worksheet is prepared, I go back to the maintenance. I am able to see the worksheet is completed. Okay. Now he completed everything and stop this. Once he stops, system ask about the timesheet. He log the time. So this the field service is integrated with the timesheets. So the timesheets also captured properly. Okay. Next, the work is completed. The acknowledgement from the customer is very important. We go for a acknowledgement. So the particular customer verifies it everything. Okay, this is time and material he is using. This is the timesheet. This is the worksheet. Everything he verifies and then sign the report. He signed the report. So he acknowledge, he complete the maintenance work. Okay. After this, you go back to the edit mode. Okay, everything is done. Next, we send the report to the customer. Done. I send the report to the customer. Everything will be tracked in the logs. Once everything is completed, you click mark as done. Once click mark as done, you see it's moving to the done stage. Okay. Next, I create an invoice against this particular customer. Okay, you see, screw I am using, bolt I am using. This is the time sheets I updated. Per hour is a 40 hours, so $10 I claim, so 14.49 confirm it. So now I go back to the task. So you see, this is just a task. You see that it's a status is updated as a done. How much products I am using for this particular maintenance work. The worksheet is updated. The sale order also created. You're able to see the sale order. So what are all the items I'm using to fix this particular maintenance work? What's the timesheet details? And the delivery order also created from the WH stock to the customer location. What are all the things I'm using for this particular task? each and everything is tracked here. And also if you need, you check the customer preview, so you are able to see all the details, the signature is done, and we are also sending the report, everything is tracked properly. So this is the field service module. The the performance you see, there are a lot of things. We create a task assigned to the particular employee. After that assigning, the employee easily navigate to the particular location and reach the place, start the work, update the timesheet, and fill the worksheet, and get the signature from the customer. And after that, if he needs any material, it's connected to inventory, and after that he create an invoice and send it to the customer. Everything will be using in the single task. So this is the field service model.